The next step is going to be scheduling RMS measurement and professional photography. So this is going to be where we highlight the property and its unique selling features. So we want to make sure not only that we have the best photos possible, some 3D art tours, some drone shots, everything to highlight the property, but we also don't want to put every picture, every room. We want to leave something to the imagination. So we want to highlight the property in the best light possible. That means putting the best pictures first as people scroll through. Now, of course, we're gonna have a 3D art tour, a doll tour. Basically, you can go around the property, go from room to room, virtual tour of the property. So if somebody's really curious about what it looks like in this room or what it looks like in that room, they can go through and have that tour. So we wanna make sure that we have that as well, and then always have residential measuring standards do the measurement for the property. That makes sure that we know exactly the square footage and we know exactly what we're selling. So that's all done professionally so that there's no mistakes. So we're gonna schedule this and have these companies sent out to your house and make sure that they come out at a time convenient to you. So make sure that you're ready for photos, because especially with the 3D art tours, if there's something in the picture, we can't change it later on. With pictures, of course, you could Photoshop or change and take a new picture, but with the 3D art tour, the tour is the tour, so everything stays. So make sure if there's something that you don't want in the tour, it gets put away.